Oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 wow, Havel H1. I'm ready, oh my, yo ho. Equipped with a blast. Awesome, big brother. I'm going in. It's over, it's over, it's over, it's over, it's over, it's over, it's over. Whoa, slow down. 2-4. This is too fierce, too fierce, too fierce, too fierce. Oh my. What do you mean? It's fun to run a red light in front of people. You can't mess with a race. Isn't a car with a speed of over 4 seconds not fast either? Why are you running so fast? Brothers! I said you were speeding and running a red light again. It's no fun. Your car is very fast. Is the car god about to get the record as soon as it reaches 120? Don't run a red light. You can't wait. You can come and follow me. The traffic police won't let him go. The vehicle has turned. He ran onto the fast lane without a leash. I'm driving in the fast lane. But is this the exit or this one? Don't know. Stop over there. I don't know the lead car. Cars are absolutely not allowed on the highway. You people have no safety knowledge at all. Can the accident be mentioned like this at that time? Can't guess, right? He didn't clear the front and rear-ended. Who is the driver of this car? Me, you. The command center has contacted you repeatedly to move all personnel to a safe area. What are you doing? Go all the way back. Get off the bridge and go outside. 10 people from 2 cars are all standing in the fast lane. It is very likely that a secondary accident will occur. A minor rear-end. Your car can move. How many cars are blocked behind because of this accident? Pull over, evacuate people, and call the police. This is a highway malfunction. That from the fuel tank, filling with 92-octane gasoline pump valve. EUA, please confirm. We're all leaving, right? Is something wrong, hun? You are right. Come on, let's not move. Let's not move, okay? Let's not move, okay? It seems we've already entered. Am I okay? This good thing isn't urgent. Why are you afraid of this good thing? I'll record for you. I'll record for you. Pull another person. Don't worry, don't worry. For now, let's not get emotional. Now it's time to refuel. Refueling status. Exactly. Added 300. It's not moving. Not moving, not moving. The difference is about 3.5 million. I'll give you another 1,000 for free. Do you want to? I'll add another 350. You can hear it. Ha ha ha. 400, 535 is moving. Hey, don't move. Not moving. It didn't move. Okay, let's see. Jump, jump and take a look. Come and take a look. It seems like you've been looking again and again, right? Did it go up again before jumping? Before jumping now, right? Another one. It jumped and became lighter. It jumped and became lighter. Good. It jumped and became lighter. Still waiting for me. Now I'll split this encirclement. Okay,